once considered one of the longest LED domes at sea. Butcher's Garden will probably be the next one. Hopefully I'll be able to get a chance to eat there. It doesn't look like there's too many people. I probably could have gone there tonight, but Sushi was calling my name, and yeah. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know if it's good. This changes every single day. This is what it looks like now, y'all. It's a really nice ship. No complaints so far. Got my miso soup. See how it goes. Not bad. I'm tasting better miso soup. Could use a little bit more flavor, but not bad. I'll give it at least a 7 out of 10. This is the shrimp right here. That looks pretty good. Let's give it a shot. That's a really good shrimp. Oh my goodness. I've had a lot of different kinds of shrimp before, and this is good. So good. 10 out of 10. At least a 9. At least a 9. Good stuff. Good stuff. Alright, let's wait for the rest. We finished our appetizer. Miso soup was really good. Pretty basic, but still good. Shrimp was awesome. And I was brought the rest of my meal, and this is what it consists of. Got some tuna, shrimp, octopus, and roll. But this right here is the tiger eye tempura. Here's the hand roll. Got it dipped in some soy sauce. Definitely tasted better. Salmon before, maybe this actually is gonna be better. Well, it's good. Not the biggest fan, but it does the job. The one thing that I will say is that if you're eating at the sushi restaurant, it can get pretty noisy. You have the prime banana right in front of you. What makes it very noisy is the hibachi that's right behind me. So keep that in mind if you do want to watch, if you do want to eat sushi, it can get a little bit noisy. It's a little bit noisy. Let's give it a shot. Salmon first. Good. Average, but good. Let's try the sushi. It's interesting. It's not bad. It's definitely better deep fried. Pretty good. Never tried anything like this before, but pretty good. When it comes down to it, when it comes down to sushi, I feel like I'm more picky when it comes down to it. And I don't really like these like cold cuts. I love sushi, I love rolls, hand rolls and stuff like that, but the shrimp on top of the rice, I've yet to try the octopus. I came in with an open mind, but I've been to a lot of different sushi restaurants. The shrimp was good. So if you're picky and you get the dining experience without having to pay extra, just so you know, this is what you're gonna get. My miso soup and the shrimp that I got earlier. Mostly cold cuts. If you feel like that, try something different or order from their paid menu. I'd have to give this experience right now a 6 out of 10. But we all have different taste buds. You might like this, but I personally don't. So give it a shot, try it for yourself, and see if you like it. I'm gonna be honest, that was kind of a bad experience. Not even gonna lie. 5 out of 10. I'm very picky with sushi, like I said, but you might like it. Take my opinion with a grain of salt because everybody has a different taste. Could have been better. Could have been better. I mean, I could have ordered extra, but that's fine. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed Ocean Cay. Definitely gonna be coming back. Highly recommend it to go there. So without further ado, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Like the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.